Good morning, 7th and 8th graders. Wanted to send you a quick note about what to expect about quarter two. First, congrats, you made it through first quarter, and after you make it through today, we'll be starting the second quarter of the year. So we are 1/4 done. As you look at your schedule, you need to look at student view today, and you can see your schedule for next semester or for next quarter. The main classes that will change are your exploratory classes. So that's third hour for 7th graders and 6th hour for 8th graders. You will have a new course on Monday. There are some of you that will have a variety of changes in your schedule, and it's due to a few reasons. We try to even out classes. We try to make sure there's the right fit in classes. And so some of you might notice that you are placed in another section that you have not been. So you might have math first hour instead of third hour with the same teacher. So please review your schedule today. A and B classes stay the same. Whatever today is, I'm sorry I don't know right now, but whatever today is, Monday will be the opposite. If you have a semester class, so those are like 5th hour classes, if you have a semester class, those will switch in January, and we'll have a new video explaining what to do. But for now, the only major changes for everyone are third hour for 7th graders and 6th hour for 8th graders. And then also there are a few of you that need to check your classes and class schedule. You may have been moved as we try to divvy out the right fit and the right number of students in classes. All right, if you have any questions, check in with your advisor today, or you can always check in with Hannah in our office or myself. Have a great Thursday and enjoy your weekend.